It is Brittany from the Very Much So Pod. I'm praying that my camera settings are correct. But anyway, I'm back for day 5 through 11 of Women's History Month. Roll with me. We're going to keep them coming, okay? For day 6, we are celebrating Quinta Brunson, who is a superstar. A superstar. He got money, a large, like, clear. She ate that up. And I also believe I read her book. She memes well. I love Black women comedians, and seeing her get her start through a skit that is just so ingenious, it makes like what she's doing with Abbott so like duh, because cultural moment, cultural shift. She did that, and she continues to do it every single week with Abbott Elementary. So hold on. Another thing I love about